I've been wanting to do voiceover ever since I was a kid. I've always done voice impressions of my favorite characters.
I want to be able to reach people's hearts the same way that mine was as well. But on a more selfish note, it's just because voiceover is my passion.
I wanted to do something for my career that I feel happy and joy throughout the whole thing, and bring happiness and joy to other people too.
It's just something that's been very special to me. This was a perfect opportunity to kind of carry my energy out into the world.
No! What have I done? My poor maiden Sheena!
It's okay. You don't have to be scared. You can go home now.
You're a class act, sister. Sister! Thought I missed her. I bet you wouldn't miss her. Ah, everyone shut up! I need to think! Do you hear that?
I go to the submarine sandwich restaurant, and I leave my submarine sandwich restaurant value card at home. Offering. Drive!